Morning.
Hiya.
Is this Arthur
What's your surname?
Riley?
Riley.
Do you want this? Cody?
Riley.
Yeah.
Probably mostly gone now.
Is it Peter?
That's it, yeah?
Lovely.
You need to see that? No. Lovely, thank you very much. Okay, good morning, welcome to another Riley's Ramble. It's a beautiful sunny day here in just outside Chelmsford. Now we're doing something different today. This is a charity ride. Maybe some of you might remember a TV presenter, a female TV presenter called Helen Rollason. She was a trailblazer, yeah, back in the 1990s, one of the first established female BBC sports presenters. And sadly, she was taken by cancer. But she did so much for cancer people, raising lots of money. One of her legacies is the Helen Rollason Charity, which care and help people with cancer here in Essex. Today is their annual cycle ride, and there's a great buzz about the place. There you go. It's grand departure. You're looking very suave and calm. What comes first, bikes or beer?
Oh,
It's a tough question, isn't it, eh?
favourite child, you know, you can't answer.
3, 2, 1, off you go. Have a fantastic journey with us today. Stay safe, stay hydrated.
Big turnout today.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
we had 660 people pre-register, and we've not had that for years.
All right, and you always get a lot,
We always
like
get a
me, that
lot.
come along
Yeah,
later.
We get about 100 on the day.
Oh yeah, so can I start now or with a group?
No, you can
Yeah.
start now if you'd like.
Well, I'm doing the 30-mile route today. The guys that took off just before me are braving the 100k, but they'll still probably be back before me.
Thank you. I love a train. Who said Essex was flat? Morning ladies, or afternoon, whatever it is. Is the tea break place coming soon?
Sorry?
The tea break place? Oh,
Silver End is there?
I don't know.
Sure.
Yeah, it must be soon anyway.
They tell you.
They change it, do they?
They tell you where it is.
No. Well, anyway, it's not far. The bloke,
Hopefully
a
not.
bloke about 4 miles back said it's 6 miles, so yeah, it's getting near. Right. Have a nice day. Thank you. Hello. Is it morning? Yeah, it's morning, isn't it? I've lost all track of time. Hello there, you're right.
Yeah, we're still there.
I'm keeping to
can have
natural
water.
stuff. Yeah.
No calories.
I've got water. The feeding station was here, wasn't it, last
Yes,
year? Yeah,
yeah.
I remember it now. It couldn't come soon enough, to be honest. I thought, when's it coming? When's it coming? Yeah, so you're here all day, are you?
Just till 12.
To 12. You need to shift it, don't you? Do a shift, yeah.
I
Yeah.
think the bulk of people go about 9, half 9.
Yeah, I started at 9:30.
Yeah.
Are you not on the 100 mile or the
No,
6?
this is just a 30.
Yeah. God knows where they go. They go to Norwich or something. I'm joking.
Not quite that
That
far, but it is out.
But it's a long way, yeah.
Yeah.
I couldn't do that. But I'm going to have some water. Thanks, banana. Oh, film myself coming in. It's all pseudo. Yeah, I can pretend I've just arrived. Right.
Filming the route as you're going along.
Yeah, keep an eye on it. That's it. It's filming. beautiful. There's so much to see on this Helen Rollason ride. They picked a really, really decent route. On a day like this, it must be about 25 degrees, I suppose. Maybe a bit less. I've already crossed this railway line before. Same route. I think it's the route that goes from Witton to Braintree, I think. Yeah, and it's so peaceful and quiet. They've got a number of routes today. They've got 15 miles, 6 mile, 30 mile, 50 miles, 65, I think that's 100k, 100 miles. And so much has gone into this, logistically. And they're so brilliant at doing it, these people. Such a caring charity, of course, this is the main thing. So get that old bike out of the cupboard, get it serviced, and do the Helen Rollason ride next year. You won't be disappointed. Let's hope it don't rain. Sorry, I'm not interrupting them. I'm just really intrigued. So I'm cycling up here, and I see lots of these dotted around. Is it a special day, or do you do a?
No, it's literally just once a year they just do a tabletop sale.
What a great idea!
For locals, yeah.
What a great idea!
Yeah, it's good because I mean, sometimes you chuck stuff out, and there's always someone that might want it.
Yeah. I could fill a whole street up, I tell you. Yeah, I see about half a dozen down there.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Good ride.
Yes, I'm about halfway. Thank you, mate. You all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice day for it. Well, not a nice day for having a puncture, but...
Oh, we've already stopped, so it's what it is, isn't it?
Yeah. I bumped into a novice cyclist. He didn't even have a puncture outfit. He got 5 miles out, he got a puncture, and he was walking his bike back. And he said he hadn't even mended a puncture before. And I'm crap at them. It takes me about 20 minutes to do mine.
Oh, that's the old one, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, hope you get fixed, mate. Cheers.
Seconds, isn't it? I
suppose. You'll be overtaking me in about 30 seconds.
I wouldn't go that.
Just past Tiptree, and we momentarily get a little lost. Frantic attempts to summon up various navigation apps left us to play safe and head back to base via Malden. Well, didn't sound like such a bad idea, being it was a lovely sunny day. However, it wasn't long before we tagged onto a group of lady cyclists who actually knew the route. All adding to the thrill of adventure, no sweat.
Oh, Wickham Bishops, that sounds all right.
Did you say you saw an arrow back there?
Yeah.
It was, but it was pointing as if it was saying down here.
Yes.
In that way.
Oh, okay.
My sat-nav says that'll take us back to Cricks.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
My sat-nav's not set for the map.
Yeah.
It's set for the shortest route to get back.
Yeah.
I wonder if someone's been fiddling around.
They do
Yeah.
a tip trail, I
Yeah.
reckon.
So this is the route via the M25,
Well,
yeah?
we're only 4 miles away. Allegedly.
This is a long 4 miles today for me.
It's down here, and then the actual route's going to come in from the right.
Anyway,
We're thinking it's this way. Thank you very much. Yeah, thanks for volunteering.
Okay.
Thank you. Lovely, thank you very much.
You all right?
Yes, I think my neck can take this weight. Thank you, cheers.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. Oh, well done. Well done. The man. Both of us.
fun, mate. Respect.
Yeah, and you too. still coming round. No, good. It's good. Yeah, I've done it before. It's harder this time, but I'm a year older, so there you go. You know, but no, I loved it. Well done anyway. Right. Yeah, so that's the end of a fantastic day. 30 miles. Well, in actual fact, I got a bit lost. Met a couple of fellow cyclists, Mark and Spencer, who are a bit more knowledgeable on the local area. We got back together, more or less. And yeah, so a big shout out to Mark and Spencer. Yeah, we've been blessed with beautiful weather today, and the main thing is it looks really, really busy here, and I'm just hoping that translates into lots of money for the charity. So well done, Helen Rollason Charity volunteers. More power to you, Robert. Riley's Rambles, signing out.